What are those factors that affect how long a recruiter will spend reading your CV? In our next course on 13 useful resume writing tips, we will tell you how much time a prospective employer spends on reading your CV. From that, you will come to know the importance of writing a well crafted resume. Now, come to the factors which affect the time which a prospective employer may spend on reading your resume. First is volume of application. Suppose if you are an employer and you want to hire an English teacher for your school and you give an advertisement in the newspaper and you receive only 5 applications per day, then you have enough time to go through each of the resume. But if you receive 50 job applications or resumes per day, then naturally you will have very less time to go through each resume. So first factor is volume of job applications. Second point, junior or senior positions. As you know that for the low cadre jobs such as clerical level posts or peons or substaff level or other clerical posts, if you give an advertisement in the newspaper or on social media or any other platform, you may receive hundreds or thousands of applications because the qualification or the skills required for the job are very less. So, as most of the population has less qualification and less skills, so the number of applications will be very large. But if you invite an application for the post of chief executive officer marketing or chief executive officer of a particular organization having particular technical skills or other work experience, the number of applications will naturally reduce drastically. Only a few persons may be eligible or may apply for the same. So, for the junior level positions, the number of applications are very enormous or large in number. Or for the senior positions, the number of job applications or resumes are very less, as there are only few persons who can be eligible for the senior positions. Then, next factor is internal recruiter or outside agency. If we are the head of a particular organization and we may ask a particular department to hire the different jobs, and that department may follow their own procedure, say 1 month or 2 months time to hire the people. So they may have enough time or they may take their own time so that the best persons can be hired for the job by going through their resume or calling for interview, etc. But if you hire an outside agency, then the position is different, because in this competitive world there may be many outside agencies which may be doing the task of hiring the persons on behalf of the other persons. So if the outside agency is hired to seek the eligible persons, then the outside agency will go through the resume very fastly, because if they finish their your job, then they will be able to perform the next job or assignment of from the next organization, from the other organization. So when you hire an outside agency, then it will be in a hurry and will go through CVs at a fast speed to find the perfect candidate. So internal recruiter takes more time, and the outside agency will finish the same job in a minimum possible time, because that organization is only earned with the money which he will receive, and not with the quality of the person he may point or he may recommend for the job. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.